One of the most conservative justices in history, Justice Scalia, once wrote, quote, like most rights, the rights granted by the Second Amendment are not unlimited. They're not unlimited.
Well, first of all, Mr. President, you have misquoted Justice Scalia. He didn't say the rights granted by the Second Amendment, and he didn't say it, he wrote it. So it's clear, it's not disputable what I'm about to tell you. He wrote that the rights secured by the Second Amendment. That's all the difference in the world. You know, the liberals want to believe that rights are granted by government. So to Joe Biden and those who hate guns and gun ownership, the Second Amendment grants gun rights. But to those of us who understand the framers and who understand the concept of natural rights, we know that the Second Amendment doesn't grant anything, just like the First Amendment doesn't grant anything. You have the right to worship or not to worship, the right to speak, the right to publish your thoughts, the right to associate or not to associate, the right to petition the government, the right to keep and bear arms, because these are natural rights. They don't come from the government. The First Amendment and the Second Amendment keep the government out of the business of interfering with them. And as for Justice Scalia's statement, I disagree with it. Under the natural law, you have that right to purchase whatever weapon you want to protect yourself. You can't have a nuclear weapon in your basement because there's no way to retain the fusion process from escaping and harming people. But short of that, you can have anything you want.